Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 46 jQuery calendar using date picker class in MVC. In this session you will learn how to edit form using jQuery calendar with date picker class in MVC. Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts 43, 44 and 45. In part 45, I was explained about how to customize, edit and display template in MVC. In that I have edited the calendar using model attributes, right? So let's today customize form using jQuery calendar. The last output of my this session video session will be like this. Okay, when you click on this text box of hire date, you will get this jQuery calendar. So the built-in datetime editor template used by MVC simply displays a text box for editing dates. So up to now we have used editor template, model editor template to display the calendar. But today we will use the form and text box to display the jQuery calendar using date picker class. And uh, today we don't need the model attribute to display the calendar. We will just add in the text box using this editor for attribute. Okay, inside of that text box we will add this date picker class, and after form and we will use this section script. Okay, inside of section script we will use these two jQuery files. First one is jQuery 3.5.1 main.js and second one is jQuery UI 1.12.1 main.js, and in the header section we will use the jQuery UI CSS file, and we will write one script to display the jQuery calendar using document.ready function. Okay, to get the calendar with dot picker class, dot date picker class. So let's flip to the Visual Studio, and this is my default controller. Inside of this default controller I have this edit method. Okay, to update and display the form of edit. Okay, so right click on this edit method and add view. Okay, uh, give the name edit and display with edit template. Use the model class employee web application one dot models. Add, and we will replace the existing view, edit view. Now this is my form. Okay, this is my form. We first run it and check it how it runs and displays the data. Suppose we have to display third number form data, so control Z, and third number ID data we will receive. Right guys, this is my form, and inside of this form hire date label have this text box. I have to display calendar in this text box. Okay, so I will add first the date picker class in my hire date text box. So this is hire date text box control, and inside of this I will add date picker class, date picker. Okay, this date picker class is reside in jQuery UI files. So first you have to download this jQuery UI files using manage Node.js packages. Okay, so stop the debugging. Right click on this web application one project and add or manage new packages. Okay, here you will write jQuery UI. Okay, so it will display the jQuery UI files, but I have already installed this jQuery UI files, so I don't want to install it again. You can see here in my this content folder there is jQuery UI min.css, okay, for theme, and inside of the script folder there is jQuery UI min.js. Okay, we will use these both to display the calendar, and before using js file we will add a jQuery file, this jQuery 3.5.1 min.js. So in the beginning of the form we will add style attribute for the jQuery calendar using this jQuery UI.min.css. So I have added here this CSS file, and at the end of the form I will use iterate section scripts, and inside of this script I will pass a jQuery file to run the calendar. Okay, so this script folder have this jQuery 3.5.1 min.js. I will use this, and for calendar.js I will use jQuery UI 1.12.1 min.js. Okay, so these two file, JS file is added here and the CSS file added above. Now I will write a script for calendar. For script type equal to text or JavaScript, close the tag. Okay, inside of this dollar document dot ready function, okay, inside of it I will add this text box id. So dollar, if you don't want to add text box id then you can add a date picker class. I have added in the calendar control or calendar text box the date picker class. So dot date picker, okay, and use dot date picker class of UI files. So date picker, and inside of that I customize the calendar using these attributes. So date format, suppose I want to add date format of Indian calendar, so date format colon in double quotes you will use DDMMYY. Okay, and to change the month you will add change month true. Okay, and for year change year true, right? So this script file is generated and I have added these two JS files, and before running this form at above of the form I have added this CSS file, okay, jQuery UI min.js, and in the control of this date picker control I have added this class date picker. Okay, now I don't have added any attribute in the models. You can see here this is model file, and here is this employee model class. No hire date I have displayed and no attribute I have used for it. Okay, so without attribute given to the model, I can display the jQuery calendar. So run this program and gonna check it. You can see here I have displayed this whatever I have write. Okay, and in the text box I have added this date picker, and you can see here this is my display, right? My output is generated and I want to display suppose first ID. Okay, so let's check. This is my hidden text box. When I click on this, I can add this calendar, and this is my settings of DDMMYY. So suppose 8 September 2020, then 8/09 2020. So if you want to change format of the date, then you can change from here. If I want to display first month and then date, then you can use this formatting. Let's check here. Right now 16 September 2020, you can see here September 1st, then 16 date, so month, date and year. Like this you can change here, and you can change month from here. Okay, select month, select year like this, and select date from here. So this is the end of my video session, and if you like this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day.